So, you've decided that you really like cool-looking cars. But let's be honest, you probably won't ever be able to afford those $500,000 machines. Fortunately for you, I'll show you 5 cheap cars that make you look rich. Welcome to Zabtoon.
Starting off strong with the Vader G35, a kit car that looks like it rolled out of a sci-fi movie. Built from a 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 coupe, it costs around $8,000 for the donor car and another $11,000 for the kit. Throw in a $3,000 interior converter.
Under its sculpted body, the Vader G35 hides a 3.5-liter V6 heart, the same engine found in the Infiniti G35. Tuned for performance and style, this machine combines exotic looks with accessible power.
Next up, the Lotus Elise. You can find a 2005 model for around $30,000, and trust me, this car is as fun as it looks. It's lightweight, nimble, and still one of the best-looking sports cars of its era. Sure, it's tiny and sacrifices some comfort and safety, but when you're carving through corners like this, you won't care about it.
Powering the Lotus Elise is a 1.8-liter inline-4, small but mighty. With less than 900 kilograms of weight, the Elise is all about balance, agility, and the pure connection between man and machine.
A list like this is complete without a Corvette. The C5 and C6 models start as low as $11,000, and they carry the legacy of American performance. Fast, reliable, and surprisingly cheap to maintain, the Corvette is what you buy when you want people to think you've made it. It's the perfect mix of muscle and...
Beneath the hood of the Corvette C6 lies a 6.0-liter LS2 V8, raw, responsive, and unmistakably American. Inside, the dual cockpit reminds you that this is a machine built for driving pleasure.
The next one, literally any used Porsche. Even a 10-year-old Cayman still turns heads. The brand itself screams luxury, and the styling ages like fine wine. A well-kept Cayman for under $30,000 gives you the look and feel of a real sports car without the
The Porsche 911 Carrera's flat-six engine defines generations of performance. Smooth, balanced, and precise, it delivers a driving experience like no other. Inside, it's elegance born from engineering excellence.
And finally, the DNA Automotive Ferrari 430 Replica. It's a UK-based kit car builder that specializes in making Ferrari replicas from ordinary cars like the Toyota MR2 or Ford Kuga. You can find a fully built one on eBay for under $25,000.
So there you have it, 5 cars that make you look like $1 million without spending it. Whether you choose a Lotus, a Corvette, or even a Ferrari replica. Remember, being a car enthusiast isn't about the price tag, it's about the love for the drive. This is Zabtoon Motors, and I'll see you in the next ride.